Hi folks, Paul Dexter here. Well, it's a couple weeks after InfoComm and I'm still working my way home. I'll be there tonight though and I'm so excited. Well, there's a lot to tell you. Jetbuilt at InfoComm, Las Vegas. A couple weeks ago, we were showing all things Jetbuilt, everything we've been building over the last year since the last show, but particularly Jetbot Recommend. This is a tool where you tell us what you're looking for in your project. Perhaps it's something like what you did last summer for such and such client, but with a twist because now it has this and this and this. Jetbot will take all of your background, the projects you build, the way you build them, the equipment you normally use, and it will populate. It'll build out those rooms and systems, and it will populate that project based on that. It'll also write up scopes of work for that project. It will even further go through and draw a set of line drawings, schematics, to validate that everything will connect and function properly, bring it back into Recommend, make some adjustments if it found any errors, and so forth, creating this loop for accuracy. Real fantastic stuff. Still, it brings it into your builder, and now you can do your human work of validating it, making some adjustments and so forth. It's an amazing tool, saving you a lot of time. And if you're interested to try that, of course, we're rolling this out incrementally while it's in beta. Just reach out and we will turn it on in your account, and you can give it a spin. Also, that includes drawings. So Recommend and drawings, they're two separate tools, but they work together as you like. Also, we've made progress on launch list. You can go check that on the site, follow along the progress we're making. There's so much to share, but I'm going to let you go for now so I can make my way home. Until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.